Hey there again, everybody. It's Paul Rogers, Renovation Real Estate, getting back with you. It's all about that one house. That's what I keep talking about. It's all about that one house. I'm going to help you buy or hopefully help you sell. So I'm coming to you today. I want to talk to you a little bit about, again, some other. I get questions all the time. I get them from, all types of sources. People call me, people email me, text me, etc. Sometimes they even gotten smoke signals. Maybe that's because we're smoking cigars occasionally. No, I'm just teasing with you. Anyway, the question today, here's one of the questions: Can this renovation loan be used for a refinance? Let's say you're not ready to sell. Hey, that's fine. If I can help you today, maybe you can give me a referral to somebody that is thinking about buying or selling. Maybe you're perfectly happy to be where you're at. You're going to stay there for a while. You have no intention of selling or buying. I totally honor that. I totally understand exactly how you feel, and a lot of people have felt the same way. So let me kind of answer this question. Can it be used for a refinance? Yes, it can. So I've got some great lenders out there. I'll get you in touch with them. All they're going to look at, they're going to, we're going to look and see what needs to be done on the property. Again, some of the have-to items that may need to be done. Then what do you want to do? You want to put an addition on the house? We're going to, again, we've talked about this before, but when you do those types of things on a refinance, it depends on what you're qualified for, right? How much money do you want to spend? What's your overall objective with the house? If you're wanting to increase the square footage of the house and stay there for a few more years, 8, 10, 12, 15 years, whatever, that's fine. We're going to get you a higher after improved value appraisal, so we're going to probably be able to get you out of your mortgage insurance, if there is any at all. Probably going to be able to get you out of that in a short period of time, get you the improvements that you want to do, and basically have all this thing. And for what? You can go do a home equity line of credit, and you can pull equity out of your house, right? So now you got two loans. You got your primary loan, then you got your HELOC out there, your home equity line of credit. So you got your HELOC, and normally your HELOC's at a higher interest rate. So why would you pull $100,000 in HELOC money, at 8% when you can refinance, let's say, for 5%? So you don't have a first and a second mortgage on your house by doing a refinance with a renovation, rehab, home purchase improvement loan. We're not purchasing, we're refinancing, so it's a refinance improvement loan. But yes, you can do a refinance to do just about anything you want to do on your property. And again, I think it's great if you want to stay there. Sometimes there's a need for housing and you like where you're at and it just needs some improvements. You can absolutely do a refinance on a renovation loan program. So let me help you out. Let me give you some lenders to talk to. Give us a call. Give us a like over here. Thumbs up. Thumbs down. Thumbs up preferred though, right? And give us a like and shout out. If you got questions, hey, let us know. I'm here to help you, whatever you need. But once again, thanks for watching the channel. We appreciate everything you're doing for us and look forward to the next video. If you subscribe, I got all kinds of videos out there. I'm putting them out all the time. So stay tuned for some more. And once again, thanks for watching. We appreciate it and have a great day. And goodbye.